If you're getting the Evernote error validating email, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account. This usually happens because of a browser issue, corrupted cache, an extension conflict, or sometimes because you're using the wrong sign-in method. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, use a desktop browser. Open Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari on your computer. Then go to the Evernote sign-in page and try signing in again. Sometimes the email validation error happens more often on mobile browsers or older sessions, so testing on a desktop browser is a simple first step that can instantly solve the problem. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies as well as cached images and files. These saved browser files can sometimes hold on to old session information and cause Evernote to keep showing the validation error. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and restart it before trying again. Now, let's check browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions page and temporarily disable anything that could interfere with login, especially ad blockers, pop-up blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions. These tools can sometimes prevent Evernote's sign-in page from loading correctly or block the email verification process. Once you've turned them off, refresh the Evernote page and try signing in again. If it works, then you found the issue. Another very useful test is to open an incognito or private window. In Chrome, that's incognito mode. In Firefox or Safari, it's private browsing. Open a fresh private window, go back to the Evernote sign-in page, and log in again. If Evernote works in private mode, that usually means the problem is coming from your normal browser cache or one of your extensions. That gives you a clear clue about what to fix next. If you're still seeing the error, make sure you're using the correct sign-in method. This part is easy to miss. If your Evernote account was originally created or connected with Google or Apple, you should not try to sign in manually with a password. Instead, go back to the sign-in page and choose Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. Using the wrong login method can make Evernote think the email is not valid, even when the account is actually fine. So always match the sign-in button to the way your account was created. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the issue. In most cases, the fastest path is use a desktop browser, clear cookies and cache, disable extensions, test in private mode, and then choose the correct sign-in method. That combination fixes most Evernote email validation errors I've seen. If you want, you can also try one more simple step. Sign out of any other Evernote sessions, then restart the browser and try again fresh. Sometimes a stuck login session can cause the validation screen to repeat. But in general, the 5 fixes we covered are the most important ones. I hope this helped you fix the Evernote error validating email quickly. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.